Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to create stem and leaf plots. And stem and leaf plots are just a way to take a data set like this and just create something that you can visually look at. Now, I went ahead and completed step 1 for you. I went ahead and took this data set and placed it from smallest to the largest, and if any number repeated, I included it. Now these numbers represent times in the pacer. You may have completed the pacer before. If not, it's a fitness test you many times do in PE. Okay, so now what we do is we have an ascending order, and we have 10s, 20s, 130, 40s, and 50s. So I'm going to draw this, and I'm going to first look at the number on the left, okay? And we're going to have 10s, we're going to have 20s, we're going to have 30s, we're going to have 40s, and we're going to have 50s. Now what I do is I write, this is 11, so we have a 1 right here, so I'm going to write the 1 here, and then we've got, and I'm going to cross this out, we've got a 12 here. Okay, so that's all the 10s. Now I'm going to move over to the 20s. We've got a 2, then a 3, and notice that when it's in ascending order, it just makes it easy and will help eliminate mistakes. So we've got a 2 there. There's no more 30s. Then we have a 1, and then a 5, and we're going to go ahead and write numbers that are the same. Go ahead and include them, and then that's all our 40s, and then we have a 4 here, and a 5, and a 5. So here is our stem leaf, but it's very important you need to do a key so that people know what does everything represent. And the key is going to be, I'm going to draw for the first number. You can choose any number, and that equals 11. So the key tells you that what the numbers are representing. Let's look at another example, and I'll use decimals in this next example. Okay, now with this stem and leaf plot, we have decimals. And what the decimals represent is times in the 40-yard dash. And they go from 4 6/10 to 6 1/10. So let's go ahead and do like before. We're going to put the 1s on this side and the 10ths on this side. So now that it's set up in ascending order, it makes it a little bit easier. We're going to have 4s, and then we've got some 5s and a 6. So now let's go ahead and start going. We've got 4.6, and then 4 7/10, and 4 9/10, and we have another 9/10. So then we have a 5 and just 5 flat, and then we have 5 2/10, and then a 7/10, and then we had a 6 1/10 time. So now here is our stem and plot, but remember we need to include a key so that the people know. You could look at it and just think, well, it's 10s and 1s, 46, but it's not, it's decimals. So we're going to do this. We're going to write 4 6 equals 4.6, or 4 6/10. So the key is always helpful. I hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.